guys, welcome back to my channel. I have no makeup on today. I was thinking about putting some on, but I just did like a whole Elemis line thing that I'm gonna upload to my Instagram, and I really liked how my skin looked. I feel like it obviously shows some of my imperfections, but I don't know, I feel like I look glowy and natural and like a normal person. Today's review thing is going to be on Buxom's whole new launch of their lipsticks, and I'm really excited because if you guys have followed me way back, you know Buxom is like my #1 favorite brand. I basically love everything of theirs. I love their lip glosses. So many of my girlfriends that aren't even lip gloss fans, I'm like, no, trust me, you gotta try their lip gloss. They end up obsessing over them and they wear them to this day. I love all of their matte lipsticks. I've tried Anastasia Beverly Hills lipsticks and they always break up and get all like crumbly on me. NYX and Buxom were the first matte lipsticks that I was just like, oh my gosh, finally a good matte lipsticks. They're my favorite. So I'm really excited to try this out. Sneak peek, I did try one of them because I just had to use it. I just couldn't wait. And it was called Goddess, and I've been wearing it nonstop. I wore it in my last video, I think for Boxy. So I'm just gonna put it on. I can swatch it on my arm too to show you guys, but it is the perfect nude I have ever found in my whole life, and it's creamy, and I hate to say this word because I feel like everyone says this word, but I swear to God, it is buttery. But I swear to you, I'm not just using that word buttery just because it's like a cool word to use and everyone uses it. But I swear to you, I promise you, it is like, what's another word for butter? I don't know, I'm not a dictionary. Or something like really just soft and hydrating and silky and amazing going onto your lips. So that got a little creepy, but I feel like you guys get what I'm saying. Okay, so lipstick does look a little crazy when you don't have any makeup on, because I'm usually a little bit tanner like once I add the bronzer and stuff, but it's fine. But here it is, and it's just my perfect nude for me. So here's Goddess. It's nice and it's shiny, and I just think it's the perfect nude. It makes me so happy. This one is called Icon, and it's another nude, but it's a little bit lighter than the Goddess. So here's Icon right there. You could see how it's a little bit lighter and has more of a peach undertone, but it just looks like, I love the little peach to it, and I feel like when I add the bronzer and stuff, it'll pop out even more. So I feel like this would look so pretty on darker skin, olivey skin, things like that. Then we have Triple Threat, which is more of a darker nude. It's a little bit more browny. Here it is right here. So here it is. It's more of a brown, a little bit darker, really pretty, very comfortable wear. Next up we have Boss, which is still on the nude side, but it has like a little touch of pink, I guess, to it. So here it is right here. This is another really pretty nude that I think would be suitable for everyone, very daytime. Then next up we have Influencer, which is basically the same color, just a little bit deeper. Here it is right here. And again, it's more of that mauve-y type of nude, very pretty. I feel like this is the color that everyone's looking for, or just to have kind of in their collection. It's very, I guess, widespread. It looks good on everyone. Ooh, one thing too, so I'm taking these swatches off and I'm noticing it's not staining my hand, which is so nice. And when I take it off my lip, it's not staining my lips, which is amazing because I hate when I put lipstick on and then it stains me up for like 3 days and it looks like I got punched in the mouth. That's never fun, not a good look. All right, so then we have Badass, which is kind of like this purpley color. So here's Badass, and it's kind of like a purpley magenta-y type of color. Oh, cute. I feel like this is definitely a spring type of color. I'm just using micellar water, I don't know if that's how you say that, to take it off, and it comes right off, which is really nice. Up on the little purple area, we have Rockstar. So here it is, Rockstar. I said, yeah, Rockstar. Very fun, lilac-y, into it. Then next up we have our reds and our last nude. It's like a mauve nude, I guess I missed it. Ooh, this is pretty. This one is called Dolly Dreamer. So here is Dolly Dreamer right here. It's like another mauve nude color. Very pretty. See, now I'm liking these mauve nudes with me having no makeup on, because I feel like it's bringing my face to life, but it doesn't look like completely fake. It almost looks like I've been out in the sun. I got a little pinky pink on my lips. I like this. So then we have Baller, which is nice, a nice fun red. So here it is right here. Baller all the time, and I sometimes do it too. I'm not opposed to it. I like to do a fresh face and then put on like a coral or a red. You guys know I love coral. Oh yeah. So I love this color. Such a pretty fiery cherry red. I love it with full makeup, and this is something I would wear because I have a red bathing suit that I wear all the time, that I would wear, you know, out at the beach, out at the pool all day if I want no makeup but I want something on my lips. I feel like it looks so pretty, just like letting your freckles show and having just like a bold, bright lip. All right, last one, and this is called Winter, and it's a deep, darker red, more like wine red. So this is Winter right here. It's more of that wine colored red, you know, for that basic fall biatch like myself. Love it. All in all, I love these lipsticks. I think it's a great line. I love it. I love the formula. That's one thing. Sorry, my hair looks wild today. Today is not a good hair day. One thing I love about Buxom, always consistent. Their formula is always consistent. They always feel good. They always feel nice. They never stink like fragrance. I don't know, I like it. And I love the fact that these came right off just like with one swipe of water, because you know what? I suck, okay? The reason I like that these come off, and this is such a big deal to me, especially when I'm looking for lipsticks, I can't commit to a bold lipstick. So I will be like, I'm wearing a nice, bright, bold lipstick today. And then about an hour later I go out and I'm like, I can't commit. I change my mind, because then I start eating. I always end up eating. Whenever I wear a bold lip, I'm like, I'm not gonna eat. I'm not gonna be a slob. And then I end up being a slob, and then I regret wearing the big bold lipstick. So I love that I could be out and about and be at a restaurant and be like, you know what, I'm gonna order these wings. So I'm gonna run to the bathroom, and I feel like they come right off with water. They don't stain my lips, and then I could just throw a nude on top of it, and then my life is fine. So I really love that they come right off. And I'm just saying that story because I feel like that's a normal thing for a girl. Me being a normal human being, that's something I look for in lipstick, and I know it sounds really weird, but it's real life, okay? So I really like this line. I would definitely recommend it. If you guys pick up any of these, let me know which nude, mauve, red, bold, whatever, which ones you guys are looking at getting, because I definitely recommend them. And if you get them, let me know how much you love them, because I know, I'm not even gonna say what you think, because I know you're gonna love them. So I'll see you soon.